Today we got a video from Underwatch, and the title of the video, that sound like underwear, don't it? But anyways, the title of the video is Police Teach Entitled Teen a Hard Lesson After She Turned Simple Investigation into a Felony. God damn, what y'all writing a paragraph? What type of title is that, man?
Stop touching me! Stop touching! Yes, I am! No, you just said what my family is! I hope it is, because you racist as shit.
On June 19th, 2025, officers responded to the Cypress Cove Water Park for a multi-person brawl. It didn't take long to realize this wasn't going to be a simple situation. But watch as this teen Karen gives us a masterclass in why assaulting someone and playing the victim just don't mix.
What's going on?
Okay, so it's three boys. So it's three boys. Okay, one of the boys, I guess, like, disrespected, called her name. So I asked him, like, what was said or whatever the case is, like, because you being disrespectful. So at first, when we all together, they said no or whatever. But when it was come back,
What is that music, man? Gosh, I can't even hear the story. Let me, what she said.
What's going on?
okay, so it's three boys. So it's three boys. Okay, one of the boys, I guess, like, disrespected, called her name. So I asked him, like, what was said or whatever the case is, like, because you being disrespectful. So at first, when we all together, they said no or whatever. But when it was come back on the slide again, they was saying it again, like, kept talking, like, oh, shut up, bitch. You ain't gonna do shit, this and that. And I'm like, bro, like, you talking disrespectful, like, you not on shit. So then we talking on that slide. It's a lifeguard on that little white slide right there. You can tell when he was seeing one of the boys that was going down the slide. As the boy, he was coming steady, approaching me, running in the face. One of the other boy, he like, shut up, and then pushed me. So then I like pushed him back, and then there's another boy, he came in, he jumped, and then he punched me in my lip and then ran across around that way, while the other one was sitting right there and fight. But it was only just two. So two of them had ended up jumping on me after, because they was being disrespectful to her, and I told them to watch their mouth.
Okay. You guys can go if any emotional. How old are you?
She's 20.
20? Okay.
I'm her mom, I'm her aunt, and I'm her cousin.
You guys are all good. If you need to go to the car, I'll just talk to her a little bit more. Get the info I need from her, and then...
Yeah, she's an adult.
The other kid ran off. Magically, they couldn't find the other kid.
Yeah, because he the one that started it first. That's who I got to find with the other kid that disappeared. He the one that fought me first, like, ran up on me, so I fought back, because you're not going to just hit me and think I ain't going to hit you back. So I hit him back, and then his other friend was seeing his friend get beat up and, like, hit too, and then try to run off. Like, they both was jumping at the same time, and then they end up leaving the lifeguard to sit there and let it happen. Because if that's the case, the lifeguard shouldn't let that go down. This happened in front of the lifeguard.
Yeah, they are not allowed to intervene in that stuff. So
lifeguard ain't security.
So yes, I want to press charges because they should never put their hands on a girl. If all I asked them why is they being disrespectful, because they was just talking rowdy already to the other girl, because I guess he was trying to say she was looking at her crazy, talking about, fuck is you looking at, fuck is you looking at, you ain't gonna do, like, what is all that calls for?
Yeah, I gotcha.
Her story actually sounds somewhat reasonable, like a textbook case of a 20-year-old just trying to defend herself. However, the officers aren't about to let her play the victim Uno card that easily.
Where did all this actually happen at?
Right there by that slide.
Who else was with you in your group? Was it just you, or did you have any friends you were here with?
Yeah, my mom and them, they went around the back.
Who?
My mom and them.
Your mom?
She's 20. Were they involved at all?
No, well, the situation happened because one of the little boys was being disrespectful to my little cousin, calling her a bitch or whatever, and I was asking him, like, what are you talking about here? Y'all still just want to stick on me?
I'm talking to everybody.
Well, then
That's why he's the one I'm telling you that was taking the call. So that's why he come to talk to you.
Tell me what happened.
What was you just here for if I got to explain the whole story? They're just doing too much. Like I just said again, when he was right there by the slide, he came in when after I asked him what was said, he was like I said, y'all bitches, like kept it acting on.
Why'd you do that?
Huh?
Why'd you keep going after them?
I didn't get after him. He kept going after. Did you not listen?
You just said that you kept...
No, I said when he came off the slide, he came around and kept acting on. Said like I asked him a question, what you just said, because she said when he's in the line before he went down the slide, said what the f are you looking at, or whatever the case is. And then I look back at her, she's like, he just said bitch or whatever, call me a bitch. That's disrespectful.
How did the taller kid get the scratches on his back?
Because he jumped on me and I hit him back.
Just right there?
Yes, as soon as he hit me, he tried to run and I grabbed him. What are you talking about? You do not see my lip?
I do see your
Exactly,
I see
that
too.
That's worse than scratches. I ain't trying to hear.
Where's the rest of your family?
Over there.
You know?
Over there. We're
Were they?
As she realizes her actions have officially crossed the line from self-defense into criminal behavior, she decides to go full Karen. She starts accusing the officer of something no one saw coming, a desperate attempt to flip the script when she knows the ending isn't going in her favor.
You know what though? Her story does make sense. I must admit, her story does make sense. Her lip is busted. He's got scratches on his back. But she says that he hit me and tried to take off and I went and grabbed him. That would cause scratches to the back. That, to me, that does make sense. You know, honestly, it does make sense.
Can you wait in the office with her? Go this way in the office. Go this way. This way.
Touch me, nigga.
Going
No, like I said,
this way.
bro, don't touch me. Stop touching me.
Ooh, she just hit the officer. You're done.
You just said what my family is. Bro,
Put your hands behind your back. Stay
Oh
back there.
yeah, you're done.
Stay back
Just
there.
stay there. Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind
We
your
end up
back.
on the ground. Either put your hands behind your back or you're going to go on the ground and we'll do it there. Put your hands behind your back.
bro, because he's here trying to stay down.
Listen to me.
Okay, let's put the phone down. Okay, I'll get my phone. I'll get my phone.
We'll get your phone.
Bro, oh my God. Bro, y'all asked me to charge. The fuck?
Relax. All right?
No, because he just said that he asked where y'all was at and I went to go get them.
And I told you to stop and you're not.
Okay, but you asked where they was at and I went to go get them.
You to go run off.
Bro, I didn't run up. I got to walking. What are you talking about? You said where they at? I said they over there. I'm gonna go get them. And you started following me.
Hey, you mind if I grab top of your thing?
I hope it is. I hope it is. Cause you racist as shit. I hope it is. Cause you racist.
Stop.
You racist. Bro, you racist. You racist.
You're over here.
Bro, you're racist. Bro, get your fat ass off me. Wait,
Knock it off.
250
Okay.
pounds.
Stop.
Take your bitch to the gym.
You want to go? You got a cake? I don't
I
have
do.
Bro,
Yeah, I got one.
Talking about how the other boy get scratches done. He obviously, if he ran, of course he's gonna get hit back. Bro, you breaking my bag and shit.
Yeah, that's what happens when you try and fight us.
Bro, cause y'all should never put me up in this bitch anyway.
Slide in, okay? So I get your seatbelt on. Make sure you get transported. All right. All right.
I'm not putting in this shit.
Come on, slide in. So
Not
I'm gonna
putting
get
in
I'm gonna
shit.
get the air cranked up for you. Okay. So you're
I
nice
don't
and
give a about no air, no nothing.
and we'll go from there. Okay. And I don't know what.
I
charge
want
you're
to talk
looking
to y'all supervisor as soon as I get down there too. And I want y'all to show that body cam.
at. Okay.
Might as well get ready. I want y'all want to go to court. We all go to court.
All right.
Talk about because my arm. No, because if you listen to the full story, and if you knew you wasn't taking the full story, what your fat talk to me for?
There's no reason to make this more difficult.
Bro, I can go the home now. What's
I
this being
understand that,
difficult?
but what I'm saying is, I don't even know what charge you're looking at. If you're just looking at like a, I don't know if you're looking at mob action. I don't know if you're looking.
I'm getting the mob action for them kids ran on me first. I wouldn't just hit no kids because
Can you let me
that's the
explain?
case. If we're gonna fight, this get in the field right now.
Listen to me. Are you gonna let me explain this or no?
Okay, well, I'm gonna let you explain it.
I don't know what charges you're looking at right now. If you're not looking at state charges, you're going to be released from here. If you're looking at state charges, it's different. But you may be issued a village ordinance force a ticket and then you go. But I don't know what charge you're facing. What I will say is if you're not going to cooperate, you're not going to get in, you're not going to let me seatbelt you, you're not going to let me get everything kicked up for you, you're going to be facing a resisting charge, and that is a state charge. So there's no reason to go down that path. Like I said, I don't know. I'm not the primary.
That's not fair. I'm not resisting shit because listen, no, you hear me out. Yo, that body cam work. I hope his body cam too, cause you can clearly hear on the camera. He asked where my other people was at.
You gotta listen to direction. And he's obviously over there.
He didn't say shit about me going to the gate. Listen to that body cam. He didn't say shit about the gate.
Hear me out.
Okay, I'm listening.
He's obviously over there getting everybody's side of the story and talking to everybody. But when someone tells you, hey, you got to do this, or hey, stop, or listen, or I don't know, maybe he was trying to think. I wasn't over there, so I don't know the full scoop and all what happened.
I ain't gonna lie about shit though.
But I hear you. But when we give you an order to do something and you're not listening, you're just ramping things up.
Because y'all making it bigger than what it is.
But that's not for you to decide. That's for us to decide.
Y'all ain't doing your job right. Y'all ain't doing your shit right.
That's your opinion.
That ain't your job right.
If that's something that you truly believe, there's nothing that stops you from signing up for this job as well. If you think that you can do this job so much better than what we're doing,
I sure can.
sign up for the job.
Cause y'all over here arresting the wrong people and shit. y'all really do y'all
But we
job,
gotta
y'all need
conduct an
to.
investigation. You gotta give us a chance to do our jobs.
Okay, okay. Excuse me. I didn't
jumping.
mean to cut you out one more time. So
I'm not 100% sure on what chase. You slide over for me a little bit, okay? I don't want to.
bro, what else?
Okay, I understand. It was blocking the cliff. Jesus Christ! Everything's a fight with you.
Yes,
You can't just listen. That's your problem. You can't just listen. All right, let me get the air turned up for her.
Our subject, Stuart Fultz, was eventually whisked away to the Woodridge Police Department, and in a surprising change of pace, she decided to play ball. Stuart was officially hit with a laundry list of charges, including 3 counts of battery and 2 counts of resisting a peace officer. Moral of the story, don't confuse self-defense with mutual combat. Stuart's own words eventually became her undoing when she told officers, "He jumped me, so I hit back. I grabbed him as he tried to run." By admitting she grabbed him while he was trying to flee, she unintentionally confirmed that she wasn't just defending herself, she was escalating the fight. In the eyes of the law, once the other person tries to leave, and you pull them back to continue the assault, you're no longer the victim, you're the one in handcuffs. What's your take on this case? Comment below.
Who the hell gonna be a punching bag? Like, let's be for real, man. Like, come on. Does she deserve to go to jail? Yes, but not for the incident, not for the pool incident, for putting her hands on the officer when they were, for that, yes, she deserves to go. But as far as the fight with the boys and all of that, no. Nobody gonna sit there and be no punching bag. You hit me and then you get to run away? Nah, hell nah. Bring your ass right back here. We gonna get you together. You're not about to hit me and take off. Okay. All right. You got it. Nah. Like I said, yeah, she deserved to go to jail for putting her hands on the officer. That resisting and all of that, or if they want to battery, whatever. But nah, hell nah. Her story makes sense. It makes sense. She got a busted lip. That would be from the boys. He got scratches on his back. That would be from her. He tries to go away and she trying to get him to get. That makes sense. I don't think she's lying about that story. I think it makes perfect sense to me. And they keep digging into the story to arrest her for something or whatever. But I'm like, they both got injuries. Her story does make sense. It should be a wash. They was hitting each other or whatever. Nobody ain't gonna sit there and be no punching bag. You ain't about to hit me and then walk away. And man, hell nah, man. Hell nah. You got the game confused. You got the game confused, man. But that used to be like in correction. If inmates have their hands up, you can't touch them. That's the thing, right? So an inmate would, whatever. Let's say an inmate hits you, right? An inmate hits you, boom. And then they'll turn around and put their hands on the wall. And technically, you're not supposed to do nothing. Well, like I said, nobody ain't gonna sit there and be no punching bag, okay? But yeah, so anyway, yeah, I get y'all, these officers, they get like a 3. I ain't gonna lie. They get like a 3, man. They get like a 3. I don't think she should be locked up for the fight. I think she should be locked up for the resisting with the officers, yes, but for the fight, no. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see